Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Dan a very good day today. We will continue our class with question number 6. This one, yeah, question number 6. Coyoda electric motor cylinder number height. Okay, this is the question. Number 5, number 6. Okay, let us read together the question. Coyoda electric motors number height. Coyoda manufactures electric motors for commercial use. The company produced 3 models designed as Coyoda 19, C19, C20, and C21. Traditional product cost per unit and annual sales data are as follows. This one is traditional product cost per unit. Coyoda has monthly overhead of 3.57 million, which has been allocated on the basis of direct labor hour. For the past 10 years, the company's pricing formula has been to set each product's target price at 110% of its full product cost. Recently, the C19 has come under increasing price pressure from overseas competitions. The result was that the price of C19 has been reduced to RM 110. The company president recently asked the management accountant, why can't we compete with these other companies? They are selling motors just like our standard model for 106 only. We sell at 110. They sell at 106 only. The price is lower than our price. That's only a ringgit more than our production cost, which is our production cost right now is that's only a ringgit more than our production cost, 105. Our total production cost is 105 for C19. As we really inefficient, what give? BB Yusuf, the management accountant, respond by saying, in my judgment, our product costing system is distorting our product cost. Let me run a few numbers of that to demonstrate what I mean. Getting the president's go ahead, BB compile the basic needs needed to implement an activity-based costing system. The data are displayed in the following table. This is the data for ABC. Okay, this is the question. Okay, question number 1. Calculate the activity rate for. Enlarge. Calculate the activity rate for all 4 activity under ABC, and I'm sure that you already have the question. So I put aside the question, yeah. I put aside the question, and I give you this one. Hopefully you all can see. This one I put it here. I enlarge a bit. Okay, this is the question. Let us do together. Question 6. Coyoda electric motor sendirian berhad. Okay, normally I use 14. Okay, question 6, Coyoda electric motors number height. A. A is calculate. Okay, the question asks you to calculate the activity rate for all four. Calculate the activity rate for all four activities under activity based costing, or costing based on each activity. Costing based on activity. So this is the question. Calculate the activity rate. Calculate the activity rate for all four activities under activity-based costing ABC. ABC. Okay, activity rate ni ialah. Okay, wait ya. Halo, Assalamualaikum. Salam. Ya, saya. Okay, let's continue. Calculate the activity rate. Activity rate ni, this one is OAR. OAR. Overhead absorption rate. OAR. OAR ya. Okay, for this one, dia dah letak ya untuk OAR. So kita buat kat sini, which is kita copy balik yang di bawah ni ya. Kita copy balik yang bawah ni. Okay, overhead cost pool. Overhead cost pool, which is means this one we just copy paste from the question, yeah. Budgeted overhead cost in RM. Okay. Activity driver or cost driver. Activity driver or cost driver. Cost driver, activity driver. Okay, 1 to 3, and then budgeted. This one. This one is, oh, you got 2, yeah. Okay. This one is budgeted G level for activity driver. And this one is total C19, C20, C21. Okay, merge, merge, merge. Done. Okay. This one is maintenance. Maintenance overhead cost pool. Overhead cost pool. Or this one we can call as a department. Department. Department or activity. Activity of the company. So it's either cost pool, or cost pool, or department, or activities. This one activity driver or cost driver. This one total budgeted cost. One ialah sorry. Hmm. The overhead cost or department or activity, budgeted overhead, total overhead cost, activity driver, and this one. Budgeted labor hour for this one, this driver lah. Okay, done this one. Okay, maintenance activity. So maintenance activity. Inspection activity. We have purchasing material activity, purchasing material activity. We have depreciation activity. Okay, we have 4 activity. 1, 2, 3, 4 activities here. Okay, number, merge. Number of activity. One, two, three, four. Okay, for this one, okay, you can do this one lah. the table, yeah, the table for this one. Like this. This one total. And this one. Okay. This one we have the total budget. 1.6 million. This one 725 million. This one 625 million. And 525 million. So all together, 3.57 altogether. This one is the total cost. Okay. For traditional method, this one we only have one rate, which means, for example, like 3.5 million, you just divided by one activity driver or one cost driver to get only one OAR. For example, if they use direct labor hour, so 3.50, you just divided by total direct labor hour. So you will get one rate, okay, and then one rate, that one you can consider that method as a traditional costing method, which use only single rate. Now we have four rate, and this is we call activity based costing based on activity, each activity, and this is the modern techniques, the modern method on how to calculate or compute your your cost, your company overhead or your company cost by using this ABC. Okay, so the activity driver or cost driver, we have four different cost driver in ABC in this question. The first one is machine hour. So different activity, different cost driver. One is machine hour. The second one is engineering hour. Then we have material handling, number of material handling. And the last one is factory space usage. Factory space usage. Okay, total machine hour is 200 machine hour. Okay, this one 44 engineering hour, 25 quantity, 25 unit of material handling, 25 times, for example. This one is 120 factory space usage. Maybe this one is 120,000 meters square, for example, or meter square lah, meter square. Or this one is not inch lah. This one sometimes normally they use meter. Factory space usage, yeah, 120. Okay, how you divide it by these three product? Okay, the question already the question already give you the allocation, yeah. Okay, this one is 80 out of 200, 80 to C19, 26 to this one, 94 to this one. So all 94,000 only. So all together is 200. This one 20, 680, 680. This one 2640, 24608. Okay. This one 25,000, 11750, 2640, 26608. No, sorry. This one 25, 11, 2000, 11250. This one is 50400, 18,000, 51600. Okay. If you add this one up, 44, 25, 120. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This one I put aside. Yeah, I put it aside first. We will continue with this one. Then here we need to calculate the OER for each activity cost driver. Okay, I put OER or activity rate. Each activity OER or activity rate. Okay, this one. Okay, what are the activity rate for this one? Okay, how to calculate 1.6 million, you divide by the total machine hour. Okay, this one you can have two decimal places. Activity rate is in RM. Okay, 8 ringgit per machine hour. So you can calculate RM 8 ringgit per machine hour. Okay, you can get one marks. Okay, this one you calculate the rest. Okay, this one is RM 16.48 per engineering hour. Okay, this one you can get 4 marks here. This one is 26 ringgit per material handling. And this one RM 4.96 per factory space usage. Clear, yeah? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ringgit. Okay. This one, budgeted overhead cost. Okay. Or okay, we call it total manufacturing or production or factory overhead. This one is all indirect. Yeah. As I mentioned with you earlier, this one you can call it whatever name that you want. Okay. It will give the same meaning. Okay, total manufacturing overhead, total production overhead, total factory overhead, giving the same meaning. This is all indirect cost, which is indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses. So altogether is 3.750. This one. Okay, so all this one is indirect expenses, which means that this one you need to share with all the department in that company. If direct material, and then you can straightforward charge to C19, C20, and C21. For direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses. Okay, direct material lah. Direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses, okay, you can charge direct to the product C19, C20, and C21. Yeah, okay. Then we go to question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 stated that being determine the amount of total overhead cost assigned to each model. Okay, from 1.6 million, how much you can charge to C19, how much that you can charge to C20, and how much you can charge C21. So we can do this one. Okay, from here, you can copy back this one, Control C and Control V, because it giving the same, yeah. And then this one, you hide this one. Okay, 3.75. Okay, how to charge this one? Okay, C19, how to charge C19? Yeah, okay, this one, okay, C19 is 880, 80 machine, and then the rate is 8 ringgit. So you got this one. Okay, 2680, you times with, this one, sorry. This one, you times with this one. Okay, this one, you times with this one. And then you get back this one. Okay. Try to digest first. Okay. So done. Okay. How you calculate is 80,000 you times by 8. 26,000 you times by 8. 94,000 you times by 8. You will get the figure. Okay, this one 2680 you times by this one. This one 2640 you times by this one. This one 26 you times by this one. There you get the figure. Okay, same with this one as well. This one you times by this one. This one you times by this one. And this one you can, okay, this one you can lock. By locking this one, sign dollar. You put the sign dollar this one, you put the sign dollar to this one. Halo, Assalamualaikum. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Itu opening new account bank. Mm-mm. Tapi yang tu Kosek ada Gas and Husna Associate punya invoice. You ada invoice Gas Husna? Okay. Lepas tu, yang tu lah you bagi ke Melissa. Opening account. Tarikh hari ni. Lepas tu, nanti you check. Tak apalah nanti sebab saya tengah ada kelas ni. Nanti saya beritahu lepas kelas. Okay. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Salam. Okay. If you want to lock the cell J, that one, you use the sign dollar. Okay, now you lock the one. Okay, for example, this one, 50,000. You want to lock the 4.96, this one. So before J, you lock the J, and then you lock the 11. So it will be fixed. Okay, this rate will be fixed because you already locked that one. Okay, same here. So this is how you determine the amount of total overhead cost assigned to each model. So this one is 4. This one, 4 marks. This one, this one. Okay, then compute the new product for the 3 models. C. Okay, C, this one, you cannot. You need to give space first to the C, and then once you enter, you cancel the space, and it will become this one. If you do this one, C, and then you close bracket, it will be this one, like this, C. Okay, equal, space, enter, going back to that C, and delete the space. Yeah. Okay, compute the new product cost per unit for the 3 models. Compute all this one, yeah? Okay. This one we got, okay, we check back the question. Compute the new product cost per unit for the 3 model. This one, 3 model, this one, compute the new product cost, yeah? Okay, understand? Okay. Okay, new product cost, yeah? New product cost for Okay. In order for you to answer the question B, okay, you need to calculate this one, yeah? You need to calculate the quantity. The quantity, because they want new product cost per unit, cost per unit. Okay. Okay, the quantity. In the question, it stated the quantity, yeah, the quantity that we have. This one is 21,000 units, 21,000 unit. Okay, this one is 100 unit. This one is 11,000 unit. So we have the unit here, and then cost per unit. Okay, 1663 divided by this one. We got 73,357,149. Okay, this one we will use it later. Okay, let's go. Continue. Okay, cost for C19, C20, C21, yeah? I put here. Okay. The first one is raw material. Okay, in the question it's stated, yeah, the raw material and direct labor. Raw material cost. Okay, the raw material cost for this one, yeah, you have this one. 11, 25, 42, 10, 20, 20. This one is 11. Mm-hmm. 25 and 42. Okay. Direct labor. Okay. RM 20 per hour. It stated the info here, 80 per hour. Okay. This one is 10, 20, 20. Okay. Another one is what? Manufacturing. In the question is stated about, the question stated overhead, manufacturing overhead. So we use the manufacturing overhead. Overhead. Okay. Which which cost that we need to check, we need to use? Okay, the cost is, okay, again, yeah. If you still confused, so we use this one. Okay. Increase this one. $11,000. This one is this one. 153. This one is this one. Manufacturing cost, you know. Raw material cost per unit. direct labor, hour per unit, and manufacturing overheads per unit. This one you get from here, this one, 75. So the total cost for this one is 94, 402, and 211. 94, 402, and 211. Okay, the question stated that one, compute the new product cost per unit for 3 model under ABC. Hmm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one, and then you will get this one. This one. One, two, three. Total 4 lah. This one 4, this one 4, and then this one 4. 4, 4, 4. Okay. And then the question asks you to compare with the traditional. Okay. C, D is compare. Okay. Okay. How to compute the traditional method? The traditional one. Okay, let us do together. So this one we delete. Yeah, because in the question already been given. This one, the question give you in the question they stated 75, 170, 170. You just take from that 75, 170, 170. You got 96, 215, 232. Okay, then you compare. This one is traditional method. Okay, this one is activity-based costing method. Okay, this one is the difference. Difference or the variance analysis. Okay, how to compute the difference? Okay, ABC minus TAC. Okay, in terms of this one, no variance. In terms of this one, we have the variance here. Okay, you can see there's a variance there. Okay, what we want to compare? This one. We want to compare this. Yeah, manufacturing overhead. Which one is better? ABC or traditional cost? Okay, this is your comment. Because they want the comment. Comment, yeah? This is the comment. This is the explanation. If you look at this, 75 and 73. Okay. ABC lower than TCS, traditional costing system. Okay. This one, ABC higher than TCS, traditional costing system. This one is ABC lower than TCS. Then you have to comment. Okay, this one calculate the activity rate for all 4 activities. You have 4 marks here. Then determine the amount total overhead cost for each model. We have 4 marks here. Okay, and then we have new product cost for this one. We have also 4 marks here. Okay, and then when you calculate this one, you got 4 marks, and then you compare to 6 marks. Okay. This one no marks lah. Okay, you compare and you prepare the comment. The first comment here, 4, 4, 4, 12, 18, this one too, 20. See. By using ABC, okay, manufacturing overhead for C19 and C21 are lower than TCS. Okay, by RM 1.85 and RM 20.85. Okay, one. It is because by using ABC, manufacturing overheads for C19 C20 are lower than TCS by 1.85 and 20.85. It is because, meanwhile, okay, for C20, ABC recorded higher manufacturing were hit. as compared with TCS. Okay, 2, 3. Meanwhile, that one is 2. The differences between ABC and TCS is due to OAR use. For TCS, TCS only use one single rate, while ABC use multiple rate, which is more accurate than TCS. Okay. The company Coyoda might wrongly charge the cost to its product C19, C20, and C21, which will resulted wrong selling price set by Coyoda. Different. Nah, yeah. Okay. You can put more. Coyoda unable to compete with its rival when they have wrong selling price. Okay. This one allocation marks is 2. Either one, yeah? Okay. 1 or 2. It depends on you lah. This is some of the comment. Okay, the last question, question E. Here also you have the space it first, and later you can delete the space. Okay. Assume that the current price for standard model is 110 and the marketing manager is contemplating a 10 ringgit discount to stimulate the volume. Is this discount is advisable if the company adopting ABC system? Briefly discuss. Okay. Now, by using the ABC, the standard model price, okay, we set at 94 ringgit and 50 cent. Yeah. Okay. Discount 10. Okay, now it's 110. Current price for C19, current price for C19 is 110. Yeah, 110. Okay. Propose new price by marketing manager RM 100. Okay. Competitors price RM 96. Yeah. 106. Okay. Total cost under ABC is RM 94. So profit by using ABC system is 100 minus by 94. We still got profit. Okay. So discuss what you want to discuss. Number one, Okay. Continue. Discuss this one. Okay. Okay. The discount is advisable since it still can generate profit by 5.85. Okay. And additionally, since no additionally, since the selling price is very competitive and the new selling price is lower than the competitors, hence it will increase the demand for the standard model, the demand for C19. For C19. But, okay, the company need to remember by reducing the selling price, it will reduce the profit margin. Lower selling price, will cause will result lower profit. Profit. So this one is 2 marks. Okay, for your question, yeah, for your answer for the question, for this question, okay, number 1, 4 marks, 4 marks, 8, 4 marks, 12, 4 marks, 12, 16, okay, 18, 20. So all together 20 marks. Okay, that's all for question number 6. Okay, thank you all. Bye-bye.